Let us see where we find the populate 2D. Is right here. So populate 2D needs a region. We're going to select the region and connect the region to populate. As you can see, I already have a numeric slider from 10 to 100. So we can generate from 10 to 100 points randomly inside the region. If you want to shake, scramble all those points, all you need to do is move this numeric slider that I have it from 0 to 10 with 2 decimal places. And finally, you can create personal points. Let's say I want maybe 10 points, more or less, all over here, and connect those points over here. Now you have 100 plus the points that you added. So one more time, vectors populate 2D.